Hawaii News Now.
The Blue Angels will be taken to the skies at the air show this weekend.
Nation is in Kaneohe with some advice for spectators.
Relatively quiet out here on the flight line. That's not going to be the case this weekend, of course, for the air show. And actually Friday.
This was an air show for the community at large. One show for one community. I hope that if you live, work, or are connected to Marine Corps Base Hawaii, you came during this weekend, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. And if you didn't, I'm so sorry you missed one of the greatest shows in Hawaii this year.
So the Joint Task Force demo is going to be our way of displaying to the public the capabilities of an integrated force. So whether that's the Marine Corps working with the Navy, the Army, Air Force, working together for a common mission.
I'm Major Josiah Gaffney. I'm the Pacific Air Force's F-16 demonstration team commander and pilot. I'll be flying the aircraft in the air show. I have another pilot who will be flying in the Joint Forces demonstration portion of the air show, which should also be pretty exciting, where we get to show integrated joint combat capability between the Air Force and the Marines.
I'm Captain Brian Kesselring, and I'm the commanding officer and flight leader of the Blue Angels. To come out here and be able to represent over 800,000 active duty, reserve, and civilian support personnel in this community per se is actually fantastic. And it's the first time we're going to ever have these platforms over the skies of Hawaii, and we're pumped to do it.
What an incredible experience to bring so many people from the community together, whether you are a family member, a service member, or you just come and love and work and volunteer on this base. You have made an impact on our community like you do not even understand or know. Thank you and mahalo.